Over here we're going to be washing the driveway. You can see the moss, all this, all that, all of this will be, all of that will be gone and clean, and I'll show the after in one sec here. Now at this point you can see the customer is digging around their garden bed, and I told them already just to go inside because I'm spraying all this chlorine, but they don't listen, so I had to tell them again, go inside and I will take care of the digging for you. And I just helped them out a little bit and just dug around the garden bed there so the water drains better. But yeah, customers love to hang around while you got chlorine or stuff that they shouldn't be inhaling. They love to hang around while you're spraying it down. So over here, I'm just applying some chlorine, basically a bleach that's going to make all that moss, all that hard to get out dirt, make it a lot easier to remove. So that's all that's going on here, and that's about it. And then you can see whenever I do turn on the surface cleaner, the big spinning kind of disc looking machine, I always make sure to have the water facing up. That way it doesn't leave an imprint in the concrete, because if you end up turning the surface cleaner on while the machine is facing down, it can leave like a very deep circle in the concrete that can be very tough to get out. And then over here you can see that I'm using just a surface cleaner. I'm going in all angles at the driveway just to make sure that we can get all that dirt out as much as possible. And then over here you can see the customers just interrupting my work just because they think that I'm gonna leave the dirt everywhere. It's pretty typical. A lot of the time customers will stop you midway through a job once they see a bit of dirt on their siding, and they'll think that you're gonna leave it there, but that would not make any sense. So had to tell them that, we're gonna clean that up, obviously, and kept the job going. I also did have to switch over to a high turbo pressure bit, a turbo nozzle, so that I can have enough pressure to blow out all the weeds. And then you'll see also at the end of the driveway wash, I did apply a second layer of soap. That way it eats up any more of the fine bits that are deep in the concrete.
So this is how it looks right now. We've washed everything down twice, and we used high pressure for all the cracks, and we used extra soap for all the dark stains. So this is looking perfect. This is our final rinse now. We'll make sure all the specs are going, everything's perfect, and that's literally it. That's it. We're gonna finish up right now real quick. I'll post the final bit in a sec. It's all done. Basically just gonna go do touch-ups, final bits, and that's basically it. But that's it. I'm gonna go shut the machine off. We're done. We're good to go.